This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide or show the rulers in Google Docs. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Google Docs. To hide or show your ruler in Google Docs, as you look up top here, you can see my ruler is currently enabled. I have one up top here. I have one off to the left side. To enable it or disable it, you want to go up to the top up here. You want to click on the View tab. And then right down here, Show Ruler. As you can see, I have a check next to it. That means my ruler is enabled. If I click on it again, now you can see my rulers have disappeared. And to re-enable it, I'll just go up to the top up here, up to the View tab, click on View, back down to Show Ruler. As you can see, there's no check mark next to it. It is disabled. I'm going to click on it again. Now, as you can see, my rulers have been re-enabled. That is how to enable or disable the rulers in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.